Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're jumping into the world of Pinterest to learn how to set up a business account. We'll be covering 2 different ways to create your account, step by step, so you can choose the path that best suits your needs. So let us begin. To set up a business account on Pinterest, first go to Pinterest.com. I will show you the method 1, which is to create a business account from scratch. Then, click here on the Business tab. You will now be redirected to the Pinterest business website. Click the Sign Up button here. Fill out this form to create your account. I'll write down my information. Then continue. After that, you must create your profile by providing your company name and website. I'm providing this website name, but you must write your own. If you do not have a website, you can also select No. Then, choose the country and language. The next step is to describe your company. You must choose what the brand is known for. I'll go with education, but you should go with your brand. Following that, you must decide on your brand objectives. Choose any 3 of the given goals. Click the Next button. The next step is to describe your business, such as whether it is a blogger business, a consumer good, a product, or a service. In addition, is this a retail or wholesale business brand? I'll go with creator. You can choose based on your brand, then click on Done. It appears that you are already using WooCommerce, so install our WooCommerce plugin. I'm going to leave this now. Your Pinterest business account has been created. This is the home page of your business profile. Your pin analytics will be visible here. Now, I'll show you how to convert your personal account into a business account, which is the second method for creating a Pinterest business account. To do so, go to the right top side and click on the drop-down button. Then select Convert to Business. It is now displaying some of the advantages of Pinterest Business. There is no ad manager in the personal account, and no audience insight or analytics are available. You will also not get any offers or credit in your personal account. However, in a business account, you will get everything. After reading this, click the Upgrade button. Now you must complete your profile by providing your company name and email address. I've already explained this step in the previous method, so I'll just add some random details here. Then press the Next button. After that, describe your company. Your personal account has been converted into a business account. These are the 2 ways you can set up your Pinterest business account. In the coming lesson, I will show you how to optimize your profile for SEO.